Alright guys, we're gonna need 2 flathead screwdrivers to unhook the clips that hold the USB hook on, and we need a 10mm socket with the extension to remove the infotainment screen. First of all, we need to remove this trim right here, the silver trim, shiny. Alright, we need to remove it first. Just pop it out. It's gonna really simple. Yeah, just pop it out. Don't be scared. You can use the braid tool. It's gonna be much easier. I don't know that, but okay. So you just pop it out, right? All you need to do is pop it out, and then you use your hand. Okay, now just remove the glove box. Just unlock it. Here we go. Okay, just try to pull it out. Don't be afraid to break it or something. It's not gonna break, dude. You see, good plastic. All right, so when you remove it, there's a wiring harness that connected to your hazard light, and then all you need to do is just unclip it, press the tab in here. There's a tab in here. Press it and pull it out, and then now you got the AC unit out. Put it somewhere else. Alright, as you can see, this is the infotainment screen, and there's a bolt holding it, which is right there. Hold up, that one right here. Alright, okay, now you're gonna put your 10mm socket in there and then remove the bolt. Yeah, it's pretty tight in there. Alright, so once you already remove everything, you got space, and when you look from top down view, you're gonna see, okay, look down carefully, you're gonna see 2 tabs, which is located right here. The tab right here, and another one right here. So alright, so basically this is what you're looking at. The top tabs, clips, which we will hook into the dash. The clips right here, you're gonna already see some scratches. That's because when I use my screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, try to push it down like that, and then while you pushing it down, you try to braid it out, like try to push it outward. 2 of these, you're gonna push it out, 2 of these clips right here, until the front blade pop out a little bit, and then you're gonna use another flathead screwdriver, put it right there, and then try to braid it out, and then accidentally it's gonna pop up. This is what I did, and I already did it. Just pop it out, really simple, and I believe you can do it. And while you pushing it down, you can use this SD card right here, trying to pull it out. You know, try to hold this plastic piece, applying some force, pushing it out too. And then, I mean, yeah, all you need to do is just 2 flathead screwdriver in here, try to pop it out, and once the front blade pop out, use the flathead screwdriver, try to braid it out. Very simple. I like it. I like the way I'm doing. And of course, I did not break anything at all. Yeah, try to break it. Don't be scared. I asking you is not, just don't be scared, dude. And you will do it, trust me. And then for the wiring thing, I run the wire right here. This is the wire, and this is the new adapter, new plug. I push everything that way. I tuck everything in there, and it should be fine. It shouldn't make any excessive noise, any vibration at all, because they're gonna give you the wrapper to wrap around it, so shouldn't be a big deal. Yeah, just run wire into here, go into this hole right here and go up. There's a way to go up there, yeah, just like that.